How to change location in Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. At the top, click on the Marketplace section. After you're in the Marketplace section, here you will find your location in blue color. Simply click on the location at the top right. After that, simply click on the map at the bottom. Now, in the map, you can simply search your location at the top in the search bar, or simply drag the blue dot anywhere you want your location to be. After you have done that, you can also custom local radius. After you do that, press on apply at the bottom and press on update at the bottom. And your location has been changed, as you can see. And this is how to change location on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.